Hi and welcome to Afrihost Help Center. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Afrihost Pure Fibre via the Afrihost website. Open your internet browser and navigate to afrihost.com. Select the Fibre tab at the top of the page. Click on Monthly below and click View Monthly Fibre Packages. The Fibre microsite will load. Enter the street address where you would like the fibre to be installed. Ensure you select the correct address from the drop-down options. Click the Check Coverage button. If you don't have coverage in your area, you'll be notified and other connectivity options will be displayed. If you do have coverage, you'll be asked to choose a fibre package. If there's more than one fibre provider available in your area, you will see small text on the right-hand side that reads, "There are multiple providers available at your selected address." Select the View Them All link to show other available providers. If there's only one provider available, it will automatically be selected. Choose a fibre package and click the Continue button. Select your preferred Pure Fibre package and connection speed and click Continue. You will need to log into Afrihost ClientZone. If you don't have an existing account, enter your email address and your preferred password to create the new account and click the Continue button. Fill in the form and click the Create Account button. If you already have an Afrihost account, click the login link at the top and enter your existing ClientZone username and password. Click the Continue button to proceed. Enter the OTP that will be sent to you via SMS and then click Continue. Welcome back. Continue with your order. Complete the fibre installation details. Select your location type from the drop-down options. For the purpose of this video, we will select freestanding home. Enter your street number and the postal code. Select your order type under Installation Details. Select New Installation if there's no fibre installed in the premises. Or select Migrate, transfer my existing fibre line if there's already a fibre line installed in the premises and you wish to activate your fibre with Afrihost. For the purpose of this video, we will select New Installation. Enter your contact details and click Continue. Afrihost will offer to supply you with a free Wi-Fi router as part of your order. Select Yes, I need a router if you do require a router, or No, I have my own if you already have a router. If you select Yes, I need a router, you can enter your preferred Wi-Fi name and password. Otherwise, you can leave the pre-populated default details. This information will be pre-configured to your router before delivery or collection. Click the Continue button. You'll be offered extra products that you may be interested in, such as mesh Wi-Fi system or a UPS at an extra cost. If you do not want any, select No Thank You and then select Continue. Next, you'll be asked to select a payment method. Select an existing account or add new details by selecting the Add Payment Method at the top. Once selected, click Continue. Choose your preferred delivery option. Have your router delivered to you or collected from Afrihost headquarters. If you want your router to be delivered, fill in the address and recipient details. For the purpose of this video, we will choose Collect My Order. Select Continue. Fill in collection details and click the Continue button. Ensure that all items in your cart are correct before completing the order. Select the check boxes to accept the terms and conditions. Finally, select Complete Order to check out. You have now successfully signed up for Afrihost Pure Fibre.